Hi, welcome to this channel. If this is your first time, kindly hit the subscribe button down below to stay updated with my uploads. In this video, I'll show you how to do spot trading on Who Exchange mobile app for beginners. Who Exchange allows you to securely buy, store, and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more on their easy user-friendly app and web platform. By the way, if you haven't joined on Who Exchange, check video description for the sign-up link to register. Alright, here's how Who Exchange mobile app looks like. Below, you will see menu tabs such as Home, Market, Spot, Futures, and Assets. To do spot trade, you go to Spot tab. Here's a quick tutorial. First, choose a trading pair. Select or search for the digital currency trading you are interested in. Second, this is the trading area where you enter the price and amount you expect. Third, choose a trading type. Try market trading and experience fast trading of digital currency. Number 4. Place orders. The column below will record your order operations and you can view your transaction details at any time. And lastly, view details. View historical market to assist your trading decisions. Let me show you first how to buy using spot trading. Pick your trading pair by clicking here. Let me stick with BTC/USDT pairs. Make sure you're on their Buy tab. Keep it under Limit Order. A limit order is an order to buy or sell at a specific price or better. The red part shows the sell orders, and the green part is the buy orders. The middle part is the current market price. The time I recorded this video, Bitcoin is at 24,618.93 cents. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin at 24,500. Input the amount you want to buy here. You can use this to set the amount from 0 to 100% based on your available balance. Here, you will see the total price of the purchase. Once all is set, you click the Buy button. Below, you will see your open orders. Once the price you set is triggered, it will be executed automatically. Let's try a different token. Let me pick ETH/USDT pairs. Keep it under Buy tab and Limit Order. Right now, the price of Ethereum is at 1,902.42 cents, and let's say I want to buy ETH at 1,850. Then input the amount you want to buy here. Below, you will see the total amount of purchase, which is $3,700 for 2 Ethereum. Once everything is set, tap the Buy button to proceed. This time, let me show you how to sell your crypto using spot trading. Select your trading pair. Let me keep ETH/USDT pairs. This time, you click on Sell tab. Keep it under Limit Order as well. Right now, Ethereum is at $1,898.34. So let's say I want to sell my ETH at the price of $2,000. Then you input the amount you want to sell. Below, you will see the total amount you'll get. Once you are decided, tap on Sell button. Below, you will see your open orders. You can just leave it as it will be sold automatically when the set price is triggered. But if you change your mind, just click Cancel under Open Orders. That's all for this video. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. And please don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more cryptocurrency video tutorials. See you in my next video.